guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Now in today's video we're going to do some cook up ackee with okra. This recipe is super easy, super tasty. Yeah, you don't have to spend no long time in the kitchen guys with this one. Beside it we're going to do some boiled breadfruit with pumpkin and dumpling guys. Now guys, breadfruit is in season. You want to make sure you go out and get yourself some and prepare it in different ways because there's a ton of different ways you can use up breadfruit. Yeah, so if you want to continue watching this video guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt to cook my ackee. And my ackee, what I did was to clean it up, remove the seed, remove the piece of it. These are fresh ackee I have here. Alright guys, while our ackee cooking off, we're going to make our dumpling dough. Because you know we have to rest the dough, right? So I have here a cup and a half of whole wheat flour. And we're going to gradually add the water to this to create a nice tight dough. Alright guys, now that you are finished kneading the dough, we're going to cover it for a little while and let it sit there until we're ready for it, alright? Now with our breadfruit guys, you want to make sure you slit it down this middle so it can be easy to work with, right? Guys, you want to make sure at all times you work with the knife away from you. So to remove the heart of the breadfruit, see what we did there? We just use the knife away from us, right? Because it can slip and it can cut you. So you want to make sure you cut your breadfruit in the desired size that you want. We're going to add it some water here. And remember, breadfruit is a little bit hard to peel. It would remind me of pumpkin. So you want to make sure, guys, you use extra precaution when you're peeling your food. You don't want any kitchen accidents. And our pumpkin, I've removed the seed from it earlier. What I'm going to do, guys, is to just cook my pumpkin in the skin. Alright, now guys, we're going to mold our dumplings. Going in with some salt, guys. My water here has been boiling for a little while. Adding in my dumplings. And as usual, we give that a stir so they don't stick on the pot bottom, guys. And now in with our breadfruit. Alright guys, we're going to start with our veggies. Our Scotch bonnet pepper, we're going to poke a hole in one and cut one, right? Not all of it, maybe just half of it. We have our okras here. Or tomato. And for my thyme here, guys, what I did is to remove the leaves off the stalk of our garlic. Alright guys, to do our vegetables, I'm going to use my mandolin here and just shred my cabbage. I'm going to put the cabbage with the kale. I have the kale here. What I'm going to do is to just rough chop them as soon as my cutting board free up. So let's cook up the ackee now, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with my oil. Around 3 tablespoons of oil, if so much. Want to make sure our oil is hot enough. Now guys, at this time I'm going to go in with my garlic. My onion. Escallion. A Scotch bonnet pepper. More chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Alright, so now our tomatoes. I have some carrots here. Now guys, I've added my okras. Want to give that a little stir. Now I'm going to add in some thyme. I think thyme has such a beautiful aroma. Oh my gosh, just hit my face there and it smells so good. Now at this time guys, a little bit of water, just a little, oops, to just help with the okra to cook, right? And here I have some all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder and some black pepper. Just mix everything together. And I've added salt in that as well. So because the ackee has cooked already, what I don't want when I put in the ackee, I'm doing a lot of stirring because I don't want to break them up and they're already soft. Not because I overcook them, but those ackees are a bit softer than the usual ones I would normally get. So I want to just leave that to cook. Halfway through the okra being cooked, we add in our ackee. Oh guys, I forgot. Listen now. This is some sweet peppers. Going in with some of that too. So we're working for something very colorful and flavorful, right? Alright guys, so look at that now. You see how bright in color the okra looks? This is a good time now to add in our ackee. So just stir that in a bit. Take time guys, because we don't want to break up the ackee any more than now it's already softish, right? So anyhow, you come up on some ackee like this that kind of mushy and soft. No overwork it. So just make it stay in the pot there. If you want to sprinkle some more black pepper on it, anything that make it more appealing to you, you can go right ahead and do that, right? But as you can see, the okra kind of give the gravy or the little sauce there a nice body, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with some oil because I'm going to fry some plantain. So back to discussing our ackee guys. You see, whenever you come up on ackee, that even the ones in the can sometimes tend to be a little bit soft. As you put it in last, and when you put it in, don't make it stay long, because if you cook it up too much, it's gonna overcook and then, you know, mush out too much. Alright guys, we're going to saute our vegetables now. So I'm just adding a little bit of oil there. And to this guys, I'm going to add in my carrot. And this I'm going to add in my cabbage. You want to make sure you keep them moving guys. We don't want them to steam, right? We just want to just stir fry them a bit. Watch me now guys, just a little toops of water. Just to send up some steam there so the vegetables can go faster. Alright guys, this is ready. You know how long I want boiled breadfruit guys? You know how long I want boiled breadfruit? Finally. And our vegetables. And there is it guys, our cook up ackee with okra with boiled food. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.